Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Discord automatic startup in Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Startup. Turn off Discord. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and open Run folder. Delete Discord string. Close and exit registry editor. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.